Done, okay? I'm absolutely done watching people with their gorgeous Dyson Airwrap hair. I bought it, okay? Let's try it. My hair is currently disgusting. I'm trying to wash it once a week so it grows better, but now it's... And here it is, the $600 box. And what do you get for $600? This is it. I'm gonna wash my musty, dusty hair and get it back here so we can do the whole processo, you know? Okay, we are clean. I am ready. The Dyson is ready. We are all ready. I feel like I should use this first. Okay, I'm gonna get it 80% dry. Wait, I want to do that thing that I saw on TikTok. So you push your hair in and it's supposed to... It's flying again. I don't know if this is just me, but this is cool as fuck. Okay, I'm low-key impressed. I almost dried my whole head in 5 minutes. Okay, my hair is sectioned and now we're gonna curl. All the girlies on this app looking like models using this. And I just look like a hairy sausage. I'm using the smaller one. Okay, I'm gonna take a piece of my hair. No. Woo! It's working! It's a little messy, but let's ignore it. Okay, let's release the curl. I feel like this is gonna fall apart. I'm gonna pin down the curls. I made an executive decision. Okay, the second one. My hair is pretty long and I feel like I should be working with a long hair attachment, but I don't have it. So we're just settling for what we have. What is this? I just stick my finger through the curl and pin it up. I'm almost done. I left my bangs for last. And I'm just gonna... And... I don't know why these curls are so funny to me. Okay, now that I'm looking like a crazy Aunt Susan, I'm gonna go do my makeup. And then I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna see. We're gonna see. For now, I'm really impressed. I really like it. Keep your fingers crossed.